Hi, this is Bob from Bob's Grading, 414-750-3002, bobsgradinginc.com. We just finished a gravel driveway resurfacing project. This is 3/4 inch traffic bond, and then we ran a roller on it. We work in southeastern Wisconsin on gravel driveway projects and other grading projects. We're based out of McGuanago. Now on this upper area, we transition to recycled asphalt, which is ground up road bed, or not road, well, ground up asphalt basically, asphalt millings. And that's been rolled down too. If you give me a call, I can discuss the pros and cons of each type, each material. But with sun and heat, this will pack down and kind of weld itself back together, since it does still have the asphaltic cement from the original road at the upper area there. Again, 414-750-3002 or bobsgradinginc.com. It's a nice smooth driveway. Here's my equipment out here. We use a 7-foot box scraper to spread it nice and smooth, but we also have a rubber tracked skid loader. Sometimes even a bulldozer on. We bring out to the job depending on the project. So give us a call and we'll help you with your gravel driveway project or your new construction grading. Thank you very much.